Welcome! Today I'm showing how to check battery health information into a Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. First of all, open your Play Store and find Ampere application. This one. Need downloading and installing, so wait a second for install. And now click open. Here I've got yes, I agree, close. Click OK, and now need swipe on the right, and in the second column on the top we got our health information, so our health battery is good. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.